Pacific Theater fame. That's the Black Sheep. Ladies and gentlemen, he's just about ready to spool it up. He has gone through his takeoff checks, and as soon as we get the Golden Knights aircraft at 5,000 feet and above, we'll be able to release the jet. It's been flying with the United States Marine Corps since 1972. You will notice very large intakes just below the pilot on either side of the aircraft. That enables a huge amount of air to come into the intakes. All right, Golden Knight 608. Going to make his right turn away from the crowd, and in just a moment, you're going to see your United States Marine Corps AV-8B Harrier II on a short takeoff demonstration. He will not take off vertically because the heat from the exhaust of this Rolls-Royce Pegasus engine, which generates 23,000 pounds of thrust, more than twice than original, it would literally melt the asphalt. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to present to you your United States Marine Corps AV-8B Harrier II. Other unique maneuver characteristics are made possible by the use of those 4 rotatable nozzles. 2 behind the wing with the jet exhaust, 2 in front of the wing with bleed air from the engine, also extremely hot.